Here's how you install the OmniJoin app on your Mac computer. First thing you do is open up a browser and go to securetelehealth.com. And once you're there, then you scroll down the menu to the bottom where it says Download Client Software. And then on the next screen, you choose Version 7 Client Software Mac. This is going to put a file into your Downloads folder. And when it finishes, we're going to click on that file. Okay, it's done. So we double click on this file and it starts the install process. At this point, it wants us to drag the icon for the app into the applications folder. And at that point, we're ready to open the app. However, since this app is not from Apple, we need to do a two-finger tap on the icon. So I'm just going to press two fingers down and then click open. This is to get around an error that you would get if you just clicked on the app. This is only the first time. So you click open, and now you're ready to type in the meeting ID and the password that your doctor gave you. And at that point, you're ready. You may get a message on your screen that says you're in the waiting room. That means the doctor's not ready for you, but you're in the right place. Once you see yourself on camera, there's going to be a configurator that's going to try to guide you through configuration, but on a Mac there's really nothing to change, so you can quit or close the configurator, and then you can close the tips, because all you're going to be doing is talking to your doctor. There's no other skill that you need once you're in the app. And when it's time to leave the meeting, then you just click this red leave box up in the upper right hand corner. That's all there is to it.